CL405BT color changing bullet light. This one's actually in gunmetal. Let's do some unboxing. What do we have here? We have a box. We have some extra O-rings, and we have some extra screws. Oh, nice, big, huge, heavy-duty stake attached to the fixture. 10-foot cable ready to go. And then we also have here a nice little instruction manual, QR code to download the app, ready to go. Put that box down to the side. Let's do a reveal here. This is our, again, CL405BT bullet light. Has a 2 dB gain SMA antenna on the outside, so we're going to definitely make sure we get a good 100-foot or more Bluetooth signal depending on your area that you're in. So a really good idea on that. A nice external antenna. Let's go and open her up. Give it a nice little twist. Double O-rings already there. Integrated LED, removable. We can unscrew it. Also replace the lenses as well. So let's see what else kind of lenses it comes with. Nice little box here. Oh, we have more lenses. We have 2 lenses in there. So we have a 38-degree beam angle. Comes with a 60-degree beam angle reflector. And also a 15-degree beam angle reflector. What a cool item. Great fixture by Corona Lighting. CL405BT in gunmetal or antique bronze.